The aloe vera plant has been used as a cure for many years. The juice of an aloe vera plant is a thick, gooey juice made from the aloe vera leaf. Lots of people use this juice to treat syndrome, but it can be used for many other things too. It can be mixed into smoothies and shakes, which make it a very easier for use. Bath can drinking aloe vera juice cure. Alkalinity. A body with a very high acid level will be full of disease because illness will grow quickly there. To keep help your body healthy, eat and drink alkaline foods and drink like aloe vera juice. Hydration. The aloe vera plant is a full of water, so it helps stop you from getting dehydrated. Keep your body hydrated will help force bad bacteria out of your body. Drinking aloe vera juice will also fill your body with nutrients that help your organs work properly. This is important because the liver and kidneys are the organs that get the bad bacteria out of your blood and create urine. For this reason, you have to keep them healthy. After you have to exercise, you need to hydrate by taking in more water. This is to get rid of the lactic acid in that builds up during exercise. Instead of coconut water, try drinking aloe vera juice after your next workout. Liver function. Aloe vera juice is full of water and hypospadias. This is great for the liver because it needs water and nutrition to work well. This liver is in charge of cleaning the bad bacteria out of the body, so it is important for it is to stay healthy. For constipation, aloe vera juice will fill your intestine with water. Research shows that lots of water in the intestines help peristalsis, which will help you pass stool normally. If you are having problem with constipation, try drinking aloe vera juice every day. This will help keep the healthy bacteria in your intestines at a normal level. For clear skin, aloe vera juice can help stop acne from coming about. It can also stop skin conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Aloe vera is also full of antioxidants and vitamins that can help your skin. It can guard from ultraviolet UV radiation, fix the skin from UV damage, and help store fine lines and wrinkles. Nutritious boost. Because aloe vera juice is full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B, C, E, and folic acid, drinking it in a great way to make sure your body is not missing all these nutrients. Aloe vera is also one plenty that vitamin B12. This is a great of vegetarian and vegan. Make sure to eat and drink things with lots of nutrition is a main way to guard against diseases. Heartburn relief. Drinking aloe vera juice can help else heartburn. This is because the juice helps control the acid flow in your stomach. This will fight gastric uricles and keep them from getting bitter. Digestive benefits. Aloe vera has enzymes that help the digestive system run smoothly by breaking down sugar and fats. If your digestive system is not working properly, you will not be able to get all the nutrition from the food you are eating. For this reason, it is important to keep your digestive system healthy. Aloe vera may also help cut down skins. It's smooth and intense. It can help people with irritable bowel syndrome and other swelling disorders of the intestines. A study done with 3 IBS patients showed that the aloe vera juice can help smooth the pain of IBS. The study was not placebo controlled, so much research is needed. Aloe vera also helps people heal thyroid conditions.